Space looks empty, but that's not it. Right now, over your head, thousands of objects are drifting through space. Some are moving faster than bullets, some powerful enough to destroy entire cities. We don't see them from down here, right? The most dangerous part is they're obviously out there. Asteroids are not rare. Millions of them move through our solar system. Most are tracked, but mostly some of them are not. And what are these called as? These are known as the rogue asteroids. These asteroids do not follow predictable paths. They can come up from deep space, and sometimes we detect them only days before impact. One asteroid, just a few hundred meters wide, will release more energy than the strongest nuclear bomb ever created on the Earth. If it hits Earth, entire cities will get disappeared, global climate changes, and civilization will be collapsed. And you know what's the terrifying part of this? We could absolutely do nothing about it. Space debris, the invisible threat. Obviously, space isn't clean, it used to be. It's filled with junk right now, old satellites, broken rocket parts, tiny metal fragments. But what could these do? A tiny little metal fragments. These are more dangerous than you could ever imagine. This is called a space debris. Even a piece of size of a bolt can be deadly because in orbit, objects are moving at around 28,000 kilometers per hour. At this speed, one can hit destroy a satellite instantly. Astronauts are at constant risk. A chain reaction could make Earth's orbit unusable. This nightmare scenario is called Kessler's syndrome. If it happens, modern life on Earth could be crippled. No GPS, nothing.
Rogue planets. Now imagine something far more terrifying. A planet drifting through space without a star. These are called rogue planets. They are completely dark, cold, almost invisible. Scientists believe there may be billions of them in our own Milky Way galaxy. One passed near our solar system. It could disturb Earth's orbit. There is a massive planet. We wouldn't see it coming. Gamma ray bursts. Some dangers don't need to come close. Gamma ray bursts are the most powerful explosions in the universe. Unlike rogue planets which needs to arrive at the closest interval to the Earth to give us some damage, gamma ray bursts are something different from them. They come from collapsing stars or distant cosmic events. For a few seconds, they release more energy than the sun will produce in its entire lifetime. If one were aimed at the Earth, the burst, our ozone layer could be destroyed. Radiation of that would flood the surface. Mass extinction could follow. The scariest part, this happens without warning, and it's so fast we can't do anything about it. Before we think the damage would already be done. About dead satellites with nuclear material. Some satellites were launched with nuclear power sources. Many of them are now dead, but still orbiting Earth. If one of these satellites fall back uncontrollably, the radioactive material could spread into us. Large areas could become unsafe. Cleanup would be nearly impossible. They are silent, but what's going on? Why haven't we been destroyed yet? This might be the question you might believe. With all these dangers, why are we still here? Safe from every object. Because space is vast. Let us be on our side, but let us have strategy. Scientists constantly track near-Earth objects, monitor cosmic events, study ways to defend the planet. We are more aware than ever. It's still way hard to defend ourselves against these dangers. But luckily, there's nothing up right now here. It's filled with motion, right? Space and invisible danger. Every night sky you look at hides objects powerful enough to change everything. When you look up at the sky, the universe is beautiful, but it's not always gentle. And of course, if you enjoy the hidden dangers of the space and mysteries of our planet and science, this is researchers far down there.